Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we are going to introduce the 14th EI project of the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit Remote Controller, how to make a remote control to control LEDs on /off using Microbit. In this project, we will use 2 microbits and some buttons to create a simple remote control. When you press a button on the remote control, the LED on the other microbit will light up or go off. First, we need to prepare the following components, all of which we have used in our previous projects, so we won't go into details here. Next, we will start writing the program. Open Make Code Programming Interface and follow the steps below. At startup, add the radio set group block to set the group ID for radio communication. When button A is pressed, add a block to send a number. Download the program to the microbit that will be used as the controller. On the other microbit, we will perform the following steps. Add the on-radio receive number block to run the code when a new command is received. The receive number variable contains the number we sent. Download the program to the other microbit that will be used as the receiver. Press button A on the controller and see what happens. When you press the button on the remote control, the LED on the other microbit will light up. In addition, we have a challenge task. Let's rock. In this task, you can try to use this remote to control the RGB LED buzzer and vibration motor at the same time. For example, we can press button A and button B at the same time to make them all work. You can build your circuit based on the circuit diagram below. I hope you have learned how to use Microbit for wireless communication and controlling LEDs through this project. Next time we will continue to explore more fun projects with Microbit. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share it. We'll see you in the next installment. Thank you.